Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Adobe XD for UI/UX design detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Adobe XD for UI/UX design, start by downloading and installing the application from the official Adobe website. Open Adobe XD after installation is complete. Select the Create New option to start a new project. Choose a preset for your artboard dimensions based on the platform you are designing for. For mobile designs, select dimensions like iPhone or Android presets. For web design, opt for the desktop presets available. Once your artboard is created, navigate to the top menu and click on the View option. Enable the grid and guides to enhance your layout precision. Next, customize the grid settings by selecting the grid option from the right side panel. Adjust the grid size and spacing according to your design needs. Now, focus on setting up your color swatches. Open the Assets panel from the left sidebar. Click on the plus icon next to Colors to add your primary colors to the swatches. This allows for easy access to your color palette throughout the design process. Next, you'll want to configure your typography settings. In the Assets panel, click on the plus icon next to Character Styles. Define your text styles by setting the font family, size, weight, and color for headers, body text, and other elements. After setting up colors and typography, it's time to organize your layers. Use the Layers panel on the left to name and group related elements for better organization. Next, enable the Prototype mode from the top left corner to set up interactions. Select the artboard or object you want to link from. Drag the arrow to the target artboard to create a transition. Adjust the transition settings for easing and duration in the right side panel. For collaborative work, share your design by activating the Share feature in the top menu. Generate a share link to gather feedback from colleagues or clients. Lastly, save your project regularly to ensure that no work is lost during the design process. To save, click on File and select Save as to choose your preferred location. You've now configured Adobe XD for UI/UX design. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.